once you get it, do something with it and then give it. So what? So you give it, and then I do something with it, and then I give it, and then you do something with it, change stance, turn, whatever it is, and then receive, do something with it, give. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's fun. Thank you. Well, hello. Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. Um, I'm Stephen Watson. We're here on Bell's Peak in Braintree, Vermont, uh, with Sifu Tommy Gibbon of Green Mountain Martial Arts and the hound dog Sammy. Just, I don't know if he's in the screen or not, but he's having fun with us. And what I'm kind of thinking about here is this. I was kind of thinking about the master cylinder and the slave cylinder that I learned about in terms of brakes, right? You have the sort of the reservoir that feeds to the four slave cylinders or two or whatever, and then those things do the work of the brake. In other words, the slaves do the work, and the master um, metes out the instructions and punishments, I suppose. And of course, I don't like the feeling of master or slave. Neither one suits me. It feels like kind of a lazy naming convention, but perhaps we're stuck with it for the while. But then I was kind of thinking maybe a little bit less overt than master slave is what happens to a martial artist is that, okay, I'm going to be using this technique now. I'm gonna use my front kick here. I'm gonna use my roll back before I do this. Right. I'm coming up to the place where I'm gonna use my T stance or whatever that might be in your practice. And I was thinking, boy, that's really a hierarchical, maybe domineering relationship that I'm asserting over these moves. And then I don't really like that feeling. Like I am the master cylinder, and I'm gonna use this thing. Like it's there for my benefit. I don't care about what benefits it, and it's certainly not me. It's about me getting what I want out of the thing. So just that kind of naming convention of I'm going to use my push, I'm going to use my whatever. I was thinking I don't really like it. What I'd like to do is partner with that Jin, partner with that energy, partner with that move, or ally with that. And so today's Tai Chi Chuan tip is to consider how might you partner with the tools that are available to you in your practice, perhaps in your life, perhaps in this world. So good luck with that, and we're all partners in this thing. Thank you, thank you.